Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, your word of the day is guidance. Guidance. It's time to ask for wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. When the downloads come in, when a person comes to you and gives you a wise piece of advice, now you have to have a teachable heart and spirit to be able to ingest it, not take it personal, but use it, utilize that, and keep moving forward to building and being successful, because no one is here to hurt you. They're here to help you. Remember that. In times of uncertainty, I ask God to guide me to the light within my being. I'm directed to doors that will open my inner freedom and to me, and I step forward in trust. God and my faith is rewarded. It's time to have a prayer life, meditation life, going out to the elements and asking for wisdom, knowledge, understanding. But then, as we have one mouth and two ears, it's time to listen. And we're going to listen to the downloads and the guidance and the wisdom that comes in, and we're going to use it. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.